Senior, muscle growth after 60 is possible with this natural supplement. Seniors, muscle growth after 60 is not only possible, it's absolutely within your reach. And the best part? You can do it naturally, without expensive treatments or intense gym workouts. If you've noticed your arms or legs getting weaker, or daily tasks feeling heavier than they used to, you're not alone. This natural process has a name: sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle that begins around your 50s and speeds up after 60. But here's the good news. Just because it's common doesn't mean it's inevitable. You can fight back, and you can do it right from your kitchen. Today, you'll discover 3 natural supplements that help rebuild muscle, reduce inflammation, and bring your strength and confidence back, backed by real science. If you've been eating healthy and staying active, but still feel like your muscles aren't responding, this might be the missing link. So stay tuned, because these small daily habits could make the biggest difference in how strong and energized you feel every single day. Number 1. Creatine Monohydrate, the unsung hero of strength after 60. Let's start with one of the most powerful, natural, and well-researched supplements on the planet, creatine monohydrate. Now, when most people hear the word creatine, they immediately think of bodybuilders or young athletes trying to bulk up. But here's something few people realize. Creatine is not a synthetic chemical or a dangerous stimulant. It's actually a natural compound your body already produces, found in your muscles and even in small amounts in foods like red meat and fish. So, what does it do? Creatine acts like a battery charger for your muscles. It helps your cells store energy in the form of ATP, the fuel your muscles need for movement, strength, and recovery. But as we age, our body's natural creatine stores start to decline. That means even simple activities like walking uphill, climbing stairs, or lifting groceries can feel more draining than before. Adding creatine monohydrate to your daily routine gives your muscles the raw power they need to rebuild and recover faster. In fact, multiple clinical studies show that older adults who take just 3 to 5 grams per day experience measurable improvements in muscle strength, balance, and even brain health. Here's why it's a game changer for seniors. As we age, our muscles respond less effectively to regular protein and exercise. Creatine helps bridge that gap, making your workouts, walks, or even household chores more effective at building real strength. And don't worry, you don't need to hit the gym hard. Even light activities like brisk walking, resistance bands, or chair squats combined with daily creatine can trigger impressive improvements over time. Creatine is tasteless, easy to mix with water or juice, and safe for long-term use when taken in normal doses. Choose a pure, micronized creatine monohydrate with no fillers or added ingredients, and take it once a day, preferably after light physical activity or alongside a protein-rich meal. Within a few weeks, you may notice your legs feel steadier, your grip stronger, and your energy more stable throughout the day. This simple white powder might just be one of the easiest ways to turn back the clock on muscle loss, and it's completely natural. Number 2, Magnesium Glycinate, the rest and rebuild mineral. Now let's talk about something that often gets overlooked: magnesium. This mineral is responsible for over 300 processes in your body, including muscle contraction, energy production, and nerve communication. But here's the thing. Studies show that more than 70% of adults over 60 don't get enough magnesium from food alone. Low magnesium doesn't just cause leg cramps or fatigue. It can actually slow down your body's ability to recover and build new muscle tissue. That's where magnesium glycinate comes in. It's one of the most absorbable and gentle forms of magnesium, perfect for seniors. When you take it consistently, magnesium helps relax your muscles after activity, reduce soreness, and improve sleep quality, which is when your body does most of its healing and rebuilding. Without enough magnesium, your muscles stay tense, recovery slows down, and inflammation can build up, making you feel older and stiffer than you actually are. Think of magnesium as your body's recovery mineral. It works silently in the background, allowing your muscles to absorb protein better, your nerves to fire smoothly, and your energy to stay steady. You can take 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate daily, preferably in the evening with a light meal or warm drink. It's also a great way to calm your mind before bed and support deep, restorative sleep, which is critical for muscle growth after 60. To complement it naturally, eat more magnesium-rich foods like spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and avocado. But even with a balanced diet, most seniors benefit from supplementation because absorption declines with age. Over time, magnesium glycinate helps you wake up refreshed, move without stiffness, and regain that sense of lightness in your body. Number 3, plant-based protein powder, the foundation of muscle renewal. And now, the final piece of the muscle growth puzzle, protein. We can't talk about rebuilding muscle without mentioning it. Here's a simple truth. Your body can't grow or repair muscle without enough protein. But after 60, your body becomes less efficient at turning dietary protein into muscle, a process called anabolic resistance. That means even if you eat chicken, eggs, or lentils, your body might not be fully using that protein to repair muscle. That's why supplementing with a high-quality protein powder can make such a difference. Now, you might think protein shakes are only for athletes, but for seniors, they're one of the simplest and most effective ways to stay strong, energized, and independent. Among the best options for older adults are plant-based protein powders made from peas, brown rice, or pumpkin seeds. They're easier to digest, free of lactose, and rich in essential amino acids, especially leucine, the key nutrient that triggers muscle repair. When you combine light activity, like stretching, walking, or chair exercises, with a scoop of protein powder, you're sending your body a clear message. It's time to rebuild. Take about 20 to 25 grams of protein within 30 to 60 minutes after activity. You can blend it with water, almond milk, or even mix it into oatmeal or smoothies with fruit and greens for a nutrient-packed meal. Adding protein powder daily not only helps your muscles stay firm and functional, it also keeps your appetite balanced, supports your immune system, and helps stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the day. Choose clean brands, no artificial flavors, gums, or sweeteners, and make it part of your morning or post-activity routine. Over time, you'll notice better stamina, improved balance, and a newfound confidence in your physical strength. Here's where the magic happens. These 3 supplements work even better together. Creatine gives your muscles power. Magnesium helps them relax and recover. And protein provides the raw materials to rebuild. It's a natural synergy, each one supporting the other to help your body stay active, stable, and strong. You don't need to take them all at once. Start small. Add protein in the morning, magnesium at night, and creatine after light exercise. Give your body 3 to 4 weeks, and you'll begin to feel the shift. More energy, fewer aches, and better movement. Getting older doesn't mean giving up strength or independence. Your body still has the power to grow, repair, and thrive. It just needs the right support. Creatine, magnesium glycinate, and plant-based protein powder aren't fads or magic pills. They're simple, natural tools backed by decades of science, helping seniors all over the world regain vitality and confidence. So, if you've been feeling like your strength is fading, it's not too late. Start today with small, consistent changes and give your muscles what they need to flourish again. And remember, this isn't about building big muscles or changing how you look. It's about keeping your legs strong enough to climb stairs, your back sturdy enough to garden, and your body ready to enjoy every moment of life. You deserve to feel strong, capable, and full of energy, no matter your age. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs this boost, and hit subscribe so you never miss a new tip from Feel Fresh 360. Your journey to a stronger, healthier you starts now. One small step, one scoop, one day at a time. See you in the next video.